Hey guys, and welcome back to All Things LaToya. Finally, I'm back doing another video. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a quick moisturizing routine for my locks. And this is what I personally do to try, and I say try, and keep my hair moisturized, just because it's not always successful because I don't do it as often as I should. But nevertheless, this is what I do to, like, after I do like a wash day, which I did today, this is what I do to moisturize my hair because now it's dry. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and everybody turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when I upload a video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Let's get in. What's up, guys? So as you can tell, it is not the same day. I literally have not moisturized my hair, and this is what I'm talking about: consistency. So I feel like I've created this whole area now where I can film and work. So we're gonna see how this works out. Anyway, let's just get into me moisturizing my hair. So I have it pulled up right now, and it looks a hot, not a hot, but a hot mess. So if I were you, I'd get a towel or something, put it around your shoulders. So the first thing I do is I get my little handy dandy red, I think it's Ren Pure bottle, and it's coconut and vitamin E. It's a leave-in conditioner, but I've used it all. So I'm simply just using water. I think I do have like some peppermint oil in here just to help, you know, help my scalp and make my scalp feel rejuvenated or what have you. So I just spray this on here, and I'll need to at this point because it is extremely dry. It's like 2 days dry. And the peppermint smells so good. By the way, I've been sick. Like really sick. I got checked for COVID and flu, both negative. So if you follow me on like any other social media like Facebook and stuff, I put on there what the doctor said. He was like, you're negative for COVID, you're negative for the flu. He was like, but you know, maybe you have some other virus. Because I was like, what's wrong with me? He's like, I don't really know. He was like, maybe you have another type of virus. Well, no, he was like, probably another virus. All like nonchalant. So I was like, okay. So all the body aches and stuff went away. The thing about me is when I do get sick, I always get flu-like symptoms, and it's never, sometimes it's been the flu, but it's not always the flu, so I don't know what the heck's going on. It's just now my breathing is a little labored, and it kind of hurts a little bit. I don't know, maybe he's wrong, maybe I do have COVID. I don't know, but I'm praying to Jesus that it passed, and it's so far that the body aches are gone. They were gone the next day when I woke up. All right, so we have moisturized this mane, and now, well, we've wet it, dampened it, and I just kind of rub it in since I have the peppermint in there. Just kind of rub it into my scalp. All right, and the next thing I do, which is pretty much the last thing I put on my hair, it is a lavender Jamaican black castor oil. And I will just pour a little of this in my hand. And we're gonna rub it. Get your hands all saturated and go in. Go in. I started my scalp, and then I moved down the strands of my hair. And I also put on my edges, because I have problem with my edges sometimes. They don't be acting right. So I can get my edges to lay down, I will put this back like that. Take a handy dandy scarf. So this is a scarf that goes over your whole head. I'm just gonna fold it like this. And just make it like this for the front of my hair. And just to hold those edges down. Couldn't find my other scarf, so we had to improvise. Okay, there. And the last thing I do is I take one of these plastic caps. I just wrap it around my hair, get it all in there. I'll leave it in here for about 15 or 20 minutes, so see y'all. All right guys, so I'm back and I've been sitting on here a lot longer than 15 or 20 minutes, but take this off. And my hair just needs to finish drying, but it is super soft, super moisturized. And yeah, that's how I keep my hair moisturized, or how I keep my locks moisturized. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. And if you guys are interested in seeing some of the lock hairstyles that I'm doing on my hair right now while it's this length, please stay tuned because I will be posting that video soon. Thank you so much.